there, friends! I have a book I would love to share with all of you. And the book is Little Blue Truck. Let's get started. The horn went beep. The engine purred, the friendliest sound you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said, croak, and winked an eye when the Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said, bah. Cow said, moo. Oink said, a piggy. And Beep said, blue. Cluck said a chicken, and her chick said, peep. Ma said a goat. Blue said, beep. Neigh said a horse. Quack said a duck. Beep said, the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk, yelled the dump truck, coming through. I've got big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom went the dunk around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in the mud. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard and nobody cared. Aww. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now, Blue and the dump were both stuck. Help! 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 Cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, beep, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Everybody heard that. Beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. The goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chicken, the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head, rump to rump, they all pushed. Who pushed the dump? They couldn't quite budge that heavy load, but then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push, and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, bah, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. There they go. Beep, beep. Little Blue Truck. I hope you enjoyed that book.